Welcome to Miss Trendy Treats. I'm Missy, and today I'm sharing how I made these fun Luna cupcakes with a galaxy center to celebrate the new movie Super Mario Bros. Galaxy. First, I started off making my cupcakes. I used a box mix, but you can use any recipe that you would like. I dyed my batter 3 different colors and then scooped a spoonful into each baking cup, layering the colors about halfway up in each liner. I baked for the time allotted on my recipe and then grabbed my pre-made mini Luna cookies. These were made ahead of time and cooled. These are mini cookies that I used with cookie cutters that I will link down in the description box below. I flooded each one into 6 different colors. Of course, you can choose any colors you want them to be. After all, they are yours, and there are a lot of colors to choose from. After they had completely hardened, I piped on their expressions, making each one a little more different than the last, but in line with the movie posters. For the cupcake frosting, I tried to match Rosalina's dress colors using a frosting method I learned along the way. You can put one color on one side of your frosting bag and then your second color on the opposite side. This should create a striping effect when you go to pipe out each cupcake. I used tip 1M, and I like to add extra cupcake liners to cover up the greasy ones for a more finished look. To frost my cupcakes, I hold my bag straight up and down and slowly squeeze my frosting into a counterclockwise rotation, overlapping the last swirl, letting go at the top to break the frosting. Add your little Luna to the top, and then as you cut, you will get the full effect with the added galaxy center. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to see more ideas like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time when we make another trendy treat together. Bye guys!